0344, Cadet Senior Under Officer, Chinoy K. Kamal of DG Vaishnav College, reporting for individual in a sub.
You become physically, mentally strong and, as they say, they turn boys into men.
இத பத்தி தெரியவே தெரியாது. அதோட வேல்யூ தெரியாது அதனால ஜாயின்.
ஜாப் எதுவும் கிடைக்க போதில்லை அதனால சும்மா என்சிசின்னு சும்மா சர்டிஃபிகேட்னா வாங்கி வச்சுக்கலாம்.
என்சிசியில் பரேட்லாம் ஓவராக இருக்கும், ஸ்டடீஸில் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம். And main thing is the strain that they take. We every day we see them running and jogging and all. So I find it a little tough for me to join NCC.
Basically, I joined NCC for the thrill and adventure what it provided, but afterwards I knew that it's one training that what each and every student should in our country should undergo, and it helps us in self-confidence, building self-confidence and many other things. Like it shows us what the duty of a citizen of the country, how a citizens need to be, and it's a great excitement. Besides all this, one thing what NCC has done to us is it has exposed us to the world. It has shown us what the world is, and I hope that it will take us a bit more far in this world.
Physical activities and a special thing called obstacles, where we train ourselves to clear it physically as well as mentally. After we finish NCC, when we face life, we clear through all the obstacles as we did in NCC. So I think this is very useful in our life, and when we go outside college, we'll be outstanding persons from others.
We are witnessing the cross-country run, generally covering a distance of 6 kilometers, testing the physical stamina and alertness of the cadets. The senior cadets check the rifles, tight belts, erectness of chest and chin, the spacing of 4 fingers between the arm titles, use of press buttons and clean shave.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
Checking squad is going on, and once it's done, they are set for the first ordeal, the warming up session.
1, 2, 3. Good shoot! PJ, let's go! Picture, put! Good shoot! Okay, put stop! But yeah, put!
This exercise is done for the development of rugged hands for holding the rifles firmly. This kind of training is given for enabling proper landing on foot to avoid any ailments which would otherwise be caused by landing on toes or heels. This is called banging flat foot. This is the drill session going on. Cadets are inspected by non-commissioned officer from NCC. There is two kinds of drill, the foot drill and the armed drill.
ஆக்சுவலாக எங்கள் காலேஜில் எப்படின்னா ரேங்க்ன்றது ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை. நாங்கள் எல்லாம் ஒரே ரேங்க் வேறு வேறு இருந்தாலும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் என்சிசிக்கு இருப்பாங்க. இப்போ இவன் ரேங்க்னா அது இது பெரேட் அப்போ தான் இவன் ரேங்க் வைஸ் சீனியர்ஸ் வரும். மற்றபடி எல்லாரும் நாங்கள் எல்லாம் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து வேலை செய்வோம். அதனால தான் எங்கள் காலேஜை நாங்கள் மேலே கொண்டு வர முடியும்.
Here we have a cadet showing the demo of gate vault and zigzag obstacles to the competitors. This is the double ditch obstacle, right vault obstacle, dum dum, the vertical rope,
I am Captain Dr. M. Venkatramanan, Associate NCC Officer and Company Commander of 5 Company 1 Tamil Nadu Battalion NCC, DG Vaishnav College. I was a A certificate as well as a C certificate holder, which helped me to be an officer in DG Vaishnav College now. In those years, there were about 2 or 3 cadets who had represented our college to Delhi. But after 94 and 95, we had about 10 cadets of both the units representing our college to Delhi, and consecutively for 3 years, we have been able to achieve the All India Best Cadet. And every year, a cadet from our college or 2 will be going on a youth exchange program to countries like UK, Canada, Ceylon, Singapore, and Nepal. Being a NCC cadet, the first aspect is a student will become disciplined. Unity and discipline is the motto of NCC. The main feature of our NCC in DG Vaishnav College is that we have an annual feat of 3 days intercollegiate competition called KEDA Fest. And this program brings in the talents of the various city colleges, both physically and mentally. We have about 13 to 14 competitions held, starting from drill to the culturals. And this is a mega event, and it was started in 1984 by Major Srinivasan of the Physics Department. And at present, this year is the 23rd year that we have conducted KEDA Fest, and it was a grand success. About 18 colleges, both senior division boys as well as senior wing girls participated. And the overall championship was won by 1 Tamil Nadu Air Squad, which is very prestigious. The colleges in the cities, they take this event as most prestigious event, and they participate in large numbers.
After the training is over, they are prepared for their exams. Examination splits into 2, that's the theory and the practicals. This is a glimpse of the C certificate examination held every year for the NCC final year cadets. Similarly, B certificate and A certificate examination are held for the second year cadets and at school levels respectively. This is rifling, that is stripping and assembling of a rifle. Another exercise is mapping, which is done with the help of a compass. Lastly, it is the reporting, where every cadet has to report himself to the officer.
Senior officer, I am Khatija Parveen from Javier Smith College. Morning for individual drill test.
744, 2000 oblique, 10344. Get up, senior under officer, Karan Kamal of D.G. Vaishnav College. Reporting for individual drill test.
You have a lot of opportunities provided outside the world, such as IMA, Indian Military Academy, Officers Training School, and so on and so forth, where these cadets, if they pass their C certificates, they will be directly called for the interview. Other civilian cadets have to write their UPSC exam and then they have to enter the interview. But these cadets are given that preference. Not only that, during time of interview, they are given 10 marks for the Union Public Service Commission exams as well as for the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission exams. Similarly, in private companies, they prefer a cadet who is an NCC, who was in NCC and who had performed well. And moreover, their approach to any problem will be easy because they are trained in such a way. They are trained both physically and mentally.
Hello, I'm Cadet Senior Under Officer Shanaki Kamal. I'm doing my third year BSc Maths in D.G. Vaishnav College. I'm the All India Best Cadet for this year, an award which is the most prestigious in the NCC circles. Last year, this is on the Jan 27th of 2003, I won this prestigious patent, that is the All India Best Cadet Award from the Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I was also India's Youth Ambassador to Russia for the period of October and September.